Rain, sunshine, or storms being prepared starts with the right app. Here are the 4 best weather apps you need in July 2026, ranked from good to best. Coming in at number 4 is World Weather Forecast and Local. With a solid 4.3 star rating, over 222,000 reviews, and more than 10 million downloads, it's become a go-to weather app for millions of people. What makes it stand out is how much information it gives you without feeling overwhelming. You can check the current weather, hourly updates, or even see what's expected over the next 10 days in just a few taps. Need to know if rain is on the way? The live radar lets you track storms, clouds, wind, and temperature in real time, so you're not left guessing. It also includes weather alerts, home screen widgets, sunrise and sunset times, humidity, wind speed, and support for multiple cities. That's perfect if you're traveling or keeping an eye on family in another location. The layout is simple, everything loads quickly, and finding the forecast you need takes almost no effort. If you like planning ahead instead of being surprised by the weather, World Weather Forecast and Local is definitely an app worth trying. At number 3, we have Acue Weather, one of the world's most trusted weather apps. With a solid 4-star rating, over 2 million reviews, and 100 million plus downloads, it's a favorite for staying one step ahead of the weather. One of its biggest highlights is Minutecast, which gives you minute by minute rain predictions, so you know exactly when to grab an umbrella or head outside. It also includes live radar, severe weather alerts, air quality updates, allergy forecasts, UV index, wind speed, and even snowfall predictions. What makes AccuWeather stand out is its real feel temperature, which tells you how the weather actually feels instead of just showing the number. Planning a road trip, morning run, or weekend getaway? You can also check forecasts up to 45 days in advance. The app has even earned international recognition for its user-friendly design and weather warning system, making it a dependable choice for millions of people worldwide. If you want reliable forecasts and powerful weather tracking in one app, AccuWeather is definitely worth checking out. Number 2 is Weather and Radar Forecast. With a 4.4-star rating, over 2 million reviews, and more than 100 million downloads, it's earned the trust of millions of users. What really stands out is how detailed it is without feeling complicated. Open the app, and you'll instantly see what's happening outside right now, plus what's expected over the next few hours and even the next 14 days. The live radar is a game changer. Instead of wondering if that rain is heading your way, you can actually watch it move in real time. You'll also get useful info like wind speed, UV levels, air quality, lightning tracking, and pollen forecasts, all in one place. It's the kind of information that actually helps you decide what to wear or whether it's a good day to be outside. And when the weather suddenly changes, the app sends timely alerts, so you're not caught off guard by a storm or a heat wave. Whether you're commuting, traveling, or planning something outdoors, Weather and Radar Forecast makes checking the weather quick, simple, and surprisingly reliable. No wonder it takes the number 2 spot on our list. Now let's see which app claimed the number 1 spot. Follow for more top app recommendations. The number 1 spot is Weather, Forecast, and Radar Maps. And there's a good reason why. With a 4.54-star rating, over 3 million reviews, and more than 100 million downloads, it's become a daily essential for millions of people. Instead of giving you a basic forecast, this app keeps you updated in real time. You can watch storms move on live radar, track rain before it reaches your area, and receive instant alerts when severe weather is on the way. Planning a weekend trip? It gives you forecasts up to 15 days ahead, making it easier to decide when to travel, hike, or enjoy time outdoors. It also shows wind speed, temperature changes, sunset times, and even allergy conditions, so you're prepared for more than just rain. What really makes this app stand out is how practical it is. Rather than guessing what the weather might do, You get timely information that helps you make smarter decisions throughout the day. Whether you're heading to work, going for a run, or catching a flight, this app gives you the confidence to plan ahead instead of reacting at the last minute. Stay one step ahead of the weather. Follow for more top app rankings and useful tech recommendations.